Lesson 2. VFR Operations and Rules of the Air. Operating safely in Eswatini requires a firm grasp of the rules of the air. When flying visual flight rules in uncontrolled airspace, the fundamental principle is to maintain visual meteorological conditions and actively see and avoid other traffic and terrain. Right-of-way rules help prevent collisions. If you are converging with another aircraft at approximately the same altitude, the aircraft that has the other on its right must give way. The aircraft seeing traffic on its left should maintain its course and speed. An aircraft being overtaken always has the right-of-way, and the overtaking aircraft must alter its heading to the right to keep well clear. When two airplanes are approaching an aerodrome to land, the aircraft at the higher level must give way to the one at the lower level. However, a lower aircraft is never permitted to cut in front of or overtake an aircraft already on final approach. At an aerodrome, remember that standard traffic circuits use left-hand turns unless published otherwise. In high-density traffic, maintaining a continuous lookout, complying with circuit procedures, keeping a listening watch on the radio, and following air traffic service instructions are your primary responsibilities. Before you depart, ensure you have the required documents on board: aircraft registration, certificate of airworthiness, required crew licenses and medicals, and the aircraft flight manual. You should also file an ATS flight plan for cross-country flights to provide route and aircraft details for search and rescue purposes. Finally, always set your altimeter to QNH so it reads aerodrome elevation on the ground and altitude above mean sea level in flight.